Hi there, I'm Darren Stanley. I'm a building contractor in Christchurch, been here for pretty much all of my life. The primary part of our building contracts is fire restoration and repair work for some of the major insurers in Christchurch. As part of that field that we're involved in, we've been looking for alternative cleaning methods. Traditional cleaning methods use a large amount of consumable items at a cost. The laser comes from technology used primarily in the major steel industry. It uses a fibre optic laser that basically bombards the contaminant on the surface of a product and turns it to a vapour. The vapour is then trapped and taken away mostly by a vacuum system and just filtered back into the air. We also have the ability to run autonomously away from power with the aid of our solar power supply within the vehicle and an onboard generator. So environmentally it's quite friendly. The laser doesn't leave a residue, i.e. like if you use a chemical paint strip, you're left with the chemical runoff that you need to contain and get rid of. If you need to get it clean, give us a call today.